99% of YouTubers out there all have the same problem when it comes to why they're not gaining the subscribers that they want to be gaining, and it's incredibly simple. They're choosing the wrong topics for their content, they're using the wrong titles, and they're doing one other secret thing wrong that I'm going to share with you in this video. Seriously, it's that simple. If you just change these three things, you are going to see the amount of subscribers that you gain skyrocket. In fact, I think you're going to be able to gain over 1,000 subscribers every single day on YouTube. This creator followed these instructions and gained 1 million subscribers on YouTube in just 24 hours. This creator over 10,000 subscribers in just 7 days, and this creator gained over 100,000 subscribers. And trust me, these creators are no different than you. They're not better looking, they're not better at creating content, none of those things. They simply chose the right titles, chose the right topics, and I'm going to share with you in this video exactly how you could do that no matter what your niche is. Because the mistake that most creators make, they think that the actual piece of content wasn't good enough, and the majority of times that's not the case. You could upload a horrible video on YouTube Shorts and get 90% watch time. If the video just had the right title and was about the right topic, the video will go viral. I mean, look at MrBeast, for example. He literally uploads videos that are low quality on purpose. He does this because he doesn't want his stuff to look like a TV show or look like Netflix. He wants it to be suitable for the YouTube platform. So if MrBeast isn't trying to completely perfect his videos, then why are you? For starters, if you want to gain over 10,000 subscribers on YouTube in the next 7 days, you need to make sure that you're doing a few things differently. Number one, unless you already have a big audience, you need to only be uploading YouTube Shorts. The reason is because one, you can upload multiple videos on YouTube Shorts. Two, you can test the length of the videos incredibly quickly. Three, you can test the title format of the videos incredibly quickly, and it makes it very easy for you to upload multiple videos a day, which is going to be the key to you gaining this many subscribers if you don't already have insane momentum like that on YouTube. And since you're watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you don't, but trust me, by the end of this video, when you implement the steps that I'm gonna share with you, it is going to completely transform your YouTube channel. And a lot of creators right now are scared to upload YouTube Shorts because they think that they won't be monetized, and that is so far from the truth. In fact, I'm gonna be uploading a video later this week that's gonna teach you how to make over $10,000 a month or more just by uploading YouTube Shorts. In fact, you don't even need to make the videos. If you wanna learn about that, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you never miss another episode that I drop on YouTube. In addition to that, I created a free course on how to grow on YouTube. It's gonna tell you things like the best time to post on YouTube and how to go viral. You can get it, the link in the pinned comment below. I strongly suggest you check it out. Again, it's 100% free. So now let's get into what titles and what topics you guys need to be focused on no matter what niche you're in. So when it comes to what topic you should actually be using when it comes to creating your content, you need to be looking in 4 different places. The first one is going to be things that are highly searched within your niche. Secondly, you need to look at your competitor's account and see what they're posting about, see what they've posted about in the past. But more importantly, you need to see which one of their videos are getting the highest views per hour right now. This is going to help you avoid the mistake of trying to copy one of their videos that did well because it was trending in that moment but isn't trending anymore, because that's what a lot of small YouTubers do. They go and look at a competitor or they look at a bigger creator and try to copy their biggest videos. That's not what you should be doing. You should be copying their videos that have the most momentum right now, because you need to understand something. YouTube is not finding viewers for your video. Instead, YouTube is finding videos for people that are interested in X subject. For example, if you watch this video, you're then going to get shown videos about how to grow on YouTube. If you've never watched videos about that before, the reason that you're going to start seeing those in the future is because you watch this video, and vice versa. If you've watched videos like that before, that is why you're seeing this video. And that's how YouTube works. A lot of creators make the mistake of trying to package your content and force it down somebody's throat. That is not how you grow on YouTube. That is definitely not how you gain 10,000 subscribers in just 10 days. You need to be hopping on trends, and this brings me to the next 2 pieces of content that you guys need to be creating, which are one, things that are trending within your niche on YouTube, and then secondly, things that are trending broadly in society. For example, the Chris Rock, Will Smith situation, that is trending right now. If you are able to hop on that and able to put that into your niche, guess what's going to happen? Your views are going to skyrocket. Your subscribers are going to skyrocket, and odds are it's going to bring you your first viral video. Now you're probably thinking right now, Rob, but that has nothing to do with my niche. Well, guess what? There are several trends like this going on within your niche every single day. Somebody else is going to do something stupid in society tomorrow. Maybe even today. It might be happening right now. And that again can allow your stuff to blow up. I'll give you a fine example. If you're in the finance or crypto space, Elon Musk just bought 9% of Twitter. That is huge news. That is amazing news. And that is something that you could take advantage of, because it's going to allow you to take advantage of an authority and then tie it back into your niche. And that is how you're going to gain way more subscribers on YouTube. But it doesn't stop there. You also need to make sure that you're using perfect titles, and I'm gonna share with you how to make perfect titles in just a second. Before I get into that, I do wanna give you an example. This creator right here gained over 10,000 subscribers in just 7 days. They went from 3,000 subscribers to over 13,000 subscribers in just 7 days by posting a Jordan Peterson clip. Now, they make content that's based around Christianity, based around the Bible, and you're probably thinking right now, Rob, who the hell is watching content like that on YouTube? Well, there is a bucket of people that watch content like that on YouTube, but that bucket is small. There's also a bucket of people that that watch Jordan Peterson content. That bucket is large. So by combining those two, they were able to tap into a viral video. It was both in their niche and taking advantage of an authority, so they were able to take two pools of audiences on YouTube, combine them together, and that resulted in the viral videos above. And again, that resulted in them getting over 10,000 subscribers in just 7 days, and you can do this no matter what niche you're in. But hold up, that is not all you need to know. You can't get off to the races yet. You do need to know a couple other things, like how the YouTube algorithm actually works. Here's about 3 things. 1, your click-through rate. 2, your average view duration. And 3, whether or not they actually have an audience for the piece of content that you're making. We already covered how you can create content that YouTube has an audience for by choosing the right topic, and I showed you where to get the best 4 topic ideas. Now, if you're failing to create videos that go viral on YouTube Shorts or just viral on YouTube in general, it's because of 1 of 2 reasons. Either 1, your audience doesn't allow for it, or 2, it's because simply you're not choosing the right topics. So, now that you guys already know what topic you should be choosing, let's get into how to increase your average view duration and how to increase your click-through rate. And how you're going to do that with YouTube Shorts is by changing the titles of your videos. You can see a lot of creators mess up with the titles of their videos. The title needs to do 2 things. 1, it needs to invoke curiosity. 2, it needs to make it really easy for YouTube to know who to actually push your content to. You have to have keywords in there that your audience is either searching for or they're watching videos that are about that. For example, if you create a video about Logan Paul and you do not have Logan Paul's name in the beginning of the title, the video is not going to do as well as if the video was just about Logan Paul. You could have the best video in the world about Logan Paul, but if it isn't clearly in the title that that's what the video is about, well then guess what? YouTube isn't going to know who they should actually be showing that content to. You should also have it in the tags and in the description because those 2 things also really matter, but the title is by far the most important thing. If you want to know how YouTube actually determines who they should be pushing your content to, it is based almost 100%, I would say 90% of it is the title, which is why you need to be spending a lot more time creating the titles of your videos. Because if the topic of your video is absolutely amazing, the video is absolutely amazing, but the title sucks, nobody's gonna click on it, your click-through rate is gonna drop. Nobody's gonna watch it because they don't know what it's about, your average view duration is gonna drop. And then third, and most important, YouTube isn't gonna know who to push the content to, and what do all 3 of these things result in? They result in the situation that you're in right now, where you're not gaining subscribers and you're not getting more viewers, which is exactly why you need to start spending way more time on your titles than any other part of your YouTube video. Because whenever you have a video die out on YouTube, it's because of that one simple thing. Either 1, the topic wasn't right, or 2, the title of your video was absolute trash. So when it comes to YouTube Shorts, you need to pay attention to 3 things that are gonna change how well your titles are. First, they need to be under 55 characters long, at least the main part of the title. Secondly, you should have an emoji and then a hashtag at the end of your title. This doesn't count towards the 55 characters. And then third, whatever authority or whatever trend you're jacking onto, it needs to be clear in the title, and ideally it needs to be in the beginning of the title. And I need you guys to understand something. If you want to become a full-time YouTuber, you want to make money from YouTube, you want YouTube to be your full-time job, or you just want to sell more of a product or get your influence and your word out there, you guys need to pay attention to YouTube Shorts. You need to be taking advantage of this, and you need to be taking this seriously. You guys have already missed out on YouTube in the beginning. A lot of you guys missed out on TikTok. A lot of you guys missed out on Instagram, Facebook, Vine, every other social media platform. But I want to make sure that you do not miss out on this. I'm telling you, this opportunity to grow on YouTube Shorts is not going to last forever. It's the easiest right now. It's the easiest that it's ever been to grow on YouTube Shorts, to grow on YouTube in general, if you take advantage of YouTube Shorts, and you guys cannot squander this opportunity. You could get out a ton of posts right now. YouTube Shorts have more reach than any other thing. Think about it. They show up everywhere that normal YouTube videos show up, and they show up in the Shorts feed. Long form videos don't show up in the Shorts feed. So this is a huge opportunity, and there's a huge amount of people that are on the YouTube app. It's one of the most downloaded apps on the App Store that are consuming this type of content, and not enough creators are creating YouTube Shorts content, which is exactly why you guys need to be taking advantage of this and need to make sure that you implement the next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you, because it's going to be the key differentiator in whether or not your YouTube videos actually go viral. And this brings me to my final point, which is once something works, be it a topic or be it a title format, you need to continue to do it over and over and over again. This is why Tuvok12 gained over 2 million subscribers on YouTube and over 1 million subscribers in just a 24-hour period, because he made so many videos about rating strangers' shots. That did well, and then it made it really easy for YouTube to 1, find a new audience that content would resonate. 2, show past videos from Tuvok to this new audience that was discovering him. And 3, show his future videos to the people that have have watched them in the past because it was very clear that these people were interested in videos that were rating strangers, which is exactly why he was able to tap into that. And then he started to make basketball content and soccer content, which again was taking that audience that likes rating strangers content and then taking the soccer audience, combining them, resulting in viral videos. The same thing with basketball, rating strangers, combining them, resulting in viral videos. And you need to do the same exact thing when it comes to your titles and your topics, again, no matter what niche you're in. Because by far, the number one biggest mistake that I see small creators make on YouTube right now, which is resulting in them not gaining enough subscribers and not getting enough views, is that when something works, they don't double down on it. A lot of you guys have had 1 or 2 videos do well on YouTube Shorts, and you don't understand why your videos have continued to not perform that way. Well, that's exactly why I created the video I'm gonna put up on the screen next. It's gonna show you how to gain over 1,000 subscribers in just 10 minutes on YouTube. I strongly suggest you check it out next.